I'll be getting into context, and it's because I come from the world's most climate vulnerable country, according to the Climate Vulnerability Index, and this is Honduras. What you're seeing is the community of Cedeño, just a 2-hour drive from my house, which has been experiencing sea level rise since before I was born. This was 1990, a hurricane, 2004, with increasing sea level, and what you're seeing in this very simple animation is just blocks of houses, blocks of restaurants, of bars, of hotels that are now under the sea in my country, Honduras. So to me, it's very simple to talk about climate intervention because we need this. We need solutions, and we need them now. And it's more than just climate, and I'll close with that. It's more than just a flood from now and then. It's more than a heavy rain. It's more than a hurricane that might come in a year or two. It's actually all that comes with it: the migration, the inequality, the destruction, of the losing of houses. I come from what was known as one of the safest countries in the world, and after having a devastating hurricane, we're now one of the most violent countries, and a lot of it was because many of these people lost their houses, lost their incomes, and they are desperate to survive. The vaccine is a good way to look at it. It does have to go through a process, through a very important process, and what I am advocating for is for it to actually undertake that process and to be taken seriously. Why, you were asking me, and I'll be happy to address that as well, is all these solutions you were talking about, I work on them too. I'm a climate negotiator. Those are for 2050. I don't have the face to tell these people that I was just showing in the video that this is just going to get worse and worse for them for the next 5 to 10 to 15 to 20 to 30 years. And even when we get there, we're not really sure if we are actually going to control climate change. We're probably going to make over 1.5, and even then, climate change is still going to be, CO2 is still going to be up in the air. It's still not going to be a good solution for them. So for me, it's a way about how can we get more solutions to the table. If it's not a solution, fine. But at least we had research behind it. At least we moved behind it. At least we had more thought, more resources, and at least we are addressing it from different perspectives. So it's not about implementing today for me or tomorrow. It's about advocating for more research and more perspective.